Here in the Weather Lab with Chief Meteorologist Rob Perillo. Rob, if those record-breaking temperatures aren't enough, you step outside tonight, you might smell smoke as well.
Right. Well, we've been in that high fire danger. Red flag warnings continue because it's so hot and so dry out there. And we've had a fire that's been going in portions of Beauregard Parish, actually western Beauregard Parish, right here, if you can see the cursor right there. And watch how the smoke has been kind of circling around. It's worked its way through Acadiana and into much of the area, so we're smelling it. And here we are at 4 o'clock in the morning tomorrow morning. That smoke is going to be dense, maybe in some spots across Cenla and portions of Acadiana as we head through the morning hours, and that dulls the sun. It gives you prettier sunrises and sunsets, but the visibility is lower, and most of us can smell the smoke as well, so it's going to stick around for a few days. As we head into Thursday, watch the main smoke plume. It starts heading off to the north with more of a southerly wind, we think, in that part of Acadiana. So it should abate in about a day or so, but just another reminder that the heat has been off the charts. At least 105 today. That's our current reading right now. We've seen a few numbers coming in at 106, but that could be rounding errors. But nonetheless, 105 is the hottest temperature ever recorded in any August, going back to 1893. We did that on Sunday, doing it again today. And guess what? Tomorrow's going to be just as hot as well. Heat indices up there, 115 to 118 across the region. And not much promise of a whole lot of change. About 80 the low tonight. Tomorrow we get back up to 105 for the high. Could see a few isolated showers or storms. At least her model is somewhat optimistic, but with smoke and the heat and the way it's been going, rain chance no better than about 5 or 10% for tomorrow. Temperatures slowly cool off. We'll get below 100 after about 6 o'clock this evening, closer to 7, and eventually into the lower 80s near record lows tonight. Another record high is going to be broken tomorrow with our projected high at 105, and of course it could go to 106 or 107 when we're forecasting 105, or just as easily be 103 or 104. Nonetheless, record smashing heat continues, but we see a change on the horizon. More on that in the complete True View forecast and a look at the tropics coming up in just a bit.